SOUN is at a pretty important spot right now. The stock has gone from trading comfortably above $8 to getting hit hard and testing support around 678. Honestly, this is the kind of move that shakes out weak hands. The problem is sellers still look aggressive and I don't see clear demand stepping in yet. For me, 678 has to hold. If buyers can reclaim 730 and start building above that level, then this setup becomes interesting again. Right now it feels like a stock trying to find its footing after a failed breakout. I'm not touching this unless demand validates because catching falling knives usually ends badly. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon, link in the description.